Writing fraction, this is 1 by 2. So this is a triangle, so I cut into equal parts, equal 2 parts, okay, red part and equal parts in all, that is first part and second parts. This first part only I shaded in what, red in color, so red part only one part and equal parts is 2, that is what, 1 by 2 I've written. That means how to write the fraction, number of equal parts and total number of parts, that is what I've given. Number of equal parts and the total number of parts, that means number of equal parts, how many, it's 2, and total number of parts also is 2, that means 2 by 2 you can get what, 1. It's not a right fraction, that is we have to write, that is number of equal parts and the, we cannot, and the total number of part you have to consider. That is here, that is what, red part only one parts, so equal parts, how many equal parts, that is number of equal parts is 2 and the total number of parts is also similar, that is total number of part is 2. So 1 by 2, that is we have to take only, this is total, this is a what, triangle, so then we have to cut into 2 equal what, equal halves. So that means this is one part, this is another part, that is 2 parts. So okay, only one part only I've shaded. So shaded part is what, only one, that is red in color. So shaded part is 1 and total number of parts is what, 2. So I've taken only one part from the total number of parts, that is called as 1 by 2. So number of equal parts and total number of parts. So it is writing in fraction means what you're going to write, you have to what, take how many parts from the whole part, that is very important. How many parts you have taken in account from the total number of parts. Total number of parts is here 2. This is one part, this is another part. So total number of part is 2, but I have shaded only one part, that is in red color. So we have written 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is equal to red part and equal parts in all. That is what. So better I rub this definition because it's little confusion. So I don't want to write this definition. I'll explain once again the same definition. That is, writing fraction means I have drawn the object, that is a triangle. It is a triangle. So this triangle is cut into what, 2 equal parts. That means this is one part, this is another part. So total number of parts is what, equal parts in all, that means total number of part is 2. And I shaded how many parts? Only one part, that is red in color. So red in part, that is only one color, and equal part, that is called as total number of parts is 2. So 1 by 2, this is the what we have written the fraction. Okay, next exercise 7a, that is Roman number 1, ring S for equal parts and number of unequal parts. So ring S for equal parts and no for unequal parts. So this is a what, triangle. So I cut into equal part, this is first part, this is second part. So whether it is equal or not, yes, of course it's equal, so I circle it. Okay, next one. So this is a rectangle, so this is very this is also cut into what, 2 parts, and this is a small part, this is a big part. So it is not equally what, break, equally cut, it is not cut into equal halves. So I have written what, I have to ring no. The no is the right answer. That means the object is drawn, the first object is a triangle, so ring S for equal parts. So triangle, it's cut into what, 2 equal parts. So that is what I circle it yes. Okay, and also I put a tick also. The next diagram, it's a rectangle, but what, it is also cut into 2 parts, but one is a small part, another is a big part. So it is not equally cut into 2 parts. So that is what, it is not equal parts exactly. So it's cut into 2 parts, but one is a small part, another is a big part. Second question, B question, it is a rectangle, it cut into 2 parts. The first part is a small part, second part is a big part. It is not equal parts, so I circle no and also put a tick. Next one, C sum, that is, it is also rectangle, but after that this rectangle cut into 2, so 1, 2 and 3 squares. Okay, this object cut into small boxes. Okay, this object, it's like a rectangle, look like a rectangle, and after that it cut into 3 equal parts. It's look like a small boxes or small squares. Okay, look like. So whether it is an equal part, yes, of course, 1 2 3 both are equal, so I circle it yes, and also put a tick for the third question. So what is the question? Ring is for equal parts and no for unequal parts. This is the equal part, this is the unequal part, and this is the equal parts. Better write, this is equal parts, this is unequal, and this is also equal.